Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Having trouble with your PS5 controller, specifically those incredible adaptive triggers. Many gamers find they start sticking or become unresponsive, often due to regular use over time. It's a common frustration for sure, but the good news is many of these issues are quite fixable, and we're here to help. This guide will walk you through the steps to get your triggers feeling responsive and smooth once again. Before grabbing any tools, let's figure out what's really going on with your trigger. Is it feeling sticky when pressed, or perhaps too loose, lacking that firm resistance? Maybe it's not responding at all, which is certainly frustrating. Try testing it across a few different games, because sometimes it's just a game-specific setting. Understanding the exact symptom is the first crucial step to finding the right solution. Sometimes the fix is much simpler than you might think. Always begin by ensuring your controller's firmware is completely up to date, as Sony regularly releases updates addressing performance. If that doesn't work, try a quick reset of your controller using the small button on the back. Also, give the trigger area a good, gentle cleaning. Dust or debris often interfere with smooth operation, and a puff of compressed air can work wonders. If software fixes didn't help, it's likely a hardware issue. This means carefully opening your controller, which can, unfortunately, void your warranty, so be mindful. Most commonly, the problem lies with a broken trigger spring, or the adaptive trigger module itself might be worn. Luckily, replacement parts are easily found online. With the right small tools and a clear guide, you can often replace these components yourself, giving your controller a new lease of life. If opening your controller feels too intimidating or the DIY fix simply doesn't work, don't hesitate to seek professional repair. Many reputable services can handle this for you. To prevent future issues, always try to be gentle with your triggers, avoiding excessive force or accidental drops. Regular, light cleaning helps tremendously. By taking good care of your controller, you can ensure those amazing adaptive triggers provide an immersive gaming experience for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.